Is that?
Watch me. See now how I'm doing it like a pro.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of my trip to Ghana, and it's your girl Maggie once again. Thanks for clicking to watch this video. This was the first day of me in Ghana, and what I landed on was the coconut. Guys, this coconut in Ghana tastes so different. I just love it. When I came back home, I found Mama doing Banku, so I decided I must learn how to do Banku today. Chai!
So you keep putting water like this, it boils, and then after that you mingle again, yeah? For 2 hours. Hi.
We can't for 2 hours, no.
How many hours? 1.5?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah,
Coming from East Africa, I actually don't know what Banku is. It's my first time to see it.
I want the water to go down.
You put salt also? Mama? Yeah. You put salt in Banku? Hey.
See how they flying. Hey.
I didn't know. Say you put
See
salt.
how they fly. Because the water has to go downside.
When I asked Mama what they used to make Banku, she told me they make it from corn flour, but there is a process that they used to make. So next time I make a video, I will show you the full details. Guys, I didn't know that they put salt in Banku, because coming from East Africa, we make what we call posho, maybe what you call ugali in Kenya, and we don't put salt in it. I don't know whether you put salt in it, but guys, you can comment in the comment section below and let me know. I'm making posho in Uganda, or what you call ugali in Kenya. We don't add any salt because you're going to eat it with a stew or maybe some sauce. So I was surprised and shocked that they put salt in Banku. So, but I think that's the method they use to prepare it, and that's the taste they like.
I just leave it. You're welcome, Mama.
During the preparation, I was like, I will not learn to do it unless I try. Guys, this thing was very difficult though. In the process, I was really scared that maybe the pot will fall off the fire. I was really scared.
You know how to make wagyu also?
Yeah.
Is that?
Our it will be some other time. Charlie, I'm mastering the cooking. Hey. Watch me. See now how I'm doing it like a pro.
At this point, after doing it, I was feeling so confident. I felt like now I can do it. And my husband was telling me, as I'm learning to make Banku, I should learn how to make wagi. Guys, I don't know what is wagi. You should tell me.
Mama taught me how to do it.
Was this how she was making it?
It's because she's a pro, so I cannot make like a pro.
My husband was laughing at me because for him, I was struggling to do something that was very simple to him.
But Charlie,
See how you are.
it was an easy job.
See how you are tired. The only this small thing they do. See how you are tired.
So Charlie, Mama can make more than this, like bigger than this.
Yes, nah. Even me, I can make bigger than this. That one with your watch there.
Mama,
You did charm?
see how I'm doing it.
Charm? I didn't want you to know. I didn't want it. I didn't want to be choosing. You're okay. I don't know. Not another young one. Another young one.
Wait now, why is mine not being firm? Why is my saucepan moving?
Your saucepan is moving because you are. Yeah? But I never put it in now, so body a major idea. But I never put it in now, so. So what you about
Like this, Mama? I said I'm doing it right.
That is wrong. She's not helping you. That is wrong. What you're doing is wrong.
Mama is helping me.
I'm telling you. What you're doing is wrong, Charlie.
Like this? Hey, I'm a master now. Okay, so I have to remove like this?
Yeah.
With this one?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Mole.
Yes, my husband.
Now time to Banku.
I saw Mama doing like this.
You saw Mama doing like this, eh? Okay. It's okay.
Now, if you will do Banku, you have to master how your elders are doing it.
So now you have mastered how to do Banku, eh?
Yes.
Okay,
it's becoming better.
It's my turn.
If I should wait, you know it already.
I don't know. I'm also learning now.
One of the first words I learned when I landed in Ghana was Mpacho, because I realized they use it often, and that's really nice. It's being polite. Mpacho means please.
Hey, Mama said like this is okay.
Hey.
See how I'm now turning my hand like a pro. You see how I'm holding it. Hey.
Charlie, if you don't take care, it will fall on your legs. So
It cannot.
okay.
Charlie.
I think at this point my husband was scared that maybe I might pour the food on myself.
Okay.
Taking care.
After this process, I must confess that making Banku is not easy.
Banku maker.
See how you suffer.
No, I'm not suffering. Learning go. Hey. Ready? Yes. How does Mama make it? Because I saw her doing fast, and
I told you, let me come back. I will show you. You tell me, say you can do it on your own. So do it. See how tired you are now. What do you make? What do you make? Yeah. See what I better.
No, Charlie, you're the one who didn't put this one very nice.
I didn't put it nicely. How?
Hey, Mama, he didn't put this one good. Put it like Mama was putting it.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay, do it. Let's see.
Mama, this one is going down. Maybe somebody needs to hold like this.
Who need to hold? What?
I was telling my husband that my feet are sliding down from the iron bars. Like, I saw Mama's own was not sliding. I was asking myself, why?
Charlie, all here will be paining you. Mama.
20 minutes into making Banku and I was already tired. I was feeling some pain in the hips. Is it called the hips? Guys, making Banku is not easy, so... At this point, I gave up and my husband came to give a helping hand.
Okay, so why is your leg not sliding like my own was sliding?
I told you to hold your leg very firm.
I hold now. Even my waist was paining.
But me, my waist is not paining.
I see how you're turning it. Hey. So when it shakes like this, are you not scared that say you fall down?
No.
Because you know what you're doing, eh?
Yes, ma'am. This is Dubai Banku.
Dubai Banku, you cannot get Banku in Dubai. like this?
I will take some to Dubai.
The powder, eh?
No, same like this.
Why don't you take the powder and be doing it in Dubai?
I will not get time to do.
Because it takes long, eh?
Yeah, it's very difficult to make in Dubai also.
So you use why do you use a silver pot? You can, I mean, that, what do you call that thing?
Which one?
That pot that you're using. Coal?
This one. This one?
The pot.
This is coal pot. This one is the coal pot.
Okay, that one that you're using.
This one is a normal silver pot.
It's silver also. But why is it not like the other ones that I used for cooking?
That is different. You cannot cook banku in that one.
Why?
But that one is square. You know, this is round. That one is like a square.
Okay. Careful, please.
No, rub away. Rub away. Okay. Jam ni suka. But you did well.
Thank you, my husband. Be careful, Charlie.
No, this coal pot is not proper staged.
Charlie, you know when we are making kalo in Uganda, eh? Somebody has to hold for you the saucepan, so you will do very well.
I'm gonna be all. They have, but yeah. But they go to Dubai, they go train them. I will take this one to Dubai. Mama will make some for me. I'll bring to Dubai.
Why, Mama? Tell him to take the powder and make by himself.
No, I can make, but how am I going to make it?
I will make for you and bring for you on Thursday.
Yeah. I beg you, don't wound yourself for me. Baby, me for what me for a bro salmon, me for a bro more moment and go. Let me a macan. Why am I going to get this one to make this one?
You use any silver. Or maybe I will take silver on gas.
Yeah. You better work on gas. You cannot. It will be very difficult for you to make it on gas.
Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. If you haven't joined the family, make sure you subscribe so you get notified every time I upload. Bye, till next time.